This episode of Homesteading Northern Michigan is brought to you ad-free by the Michiganders that hit that join button. If you want to help support this channel, check out that join button. Become a Michigander. And if you see this badge next to somebody's name in the comments or a chat, say hi. They are die-hard Michiganders. Enjoy the video, my friends. Hello and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today we're going to do a little vlog, let you know what has been going on. We're going to look at the garden. We're going to look at a upcoming project. And yeah, just a little update video, guys. So I've been milling up some lumber. Some big pieces here. Like 2x6s, 2x8s. We got some post material here. Some lovely slabs. Got a whole bunch more getting milled up here pretty soon. Here's Michelle's. What kind of flower is this? I don't know. They smell really good though. It's in bloom. Part of the future project here. These guys, move them so they don't kill the grass. Yep, these guys right here are turning these into a gutter system for my chicken coop, automatic watering system. And we got the lettuce right here. The tomatoes in this aisle are doing really good. Looking really, really nice. Over here we have the carrots. And there's two different kinds here. I don't remember what they were. Another row of tomatoes here. These are the burgundy purple beans. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. We move on to the other side. Not so hot. I think something's eating them. I don't know. I'm going to put down some diatomaceous earth tonight. Something's definitely eating them. So I got to kill them or I'm going to lose everything. Now this aisle, this had really tall tomato plants, and we had that last frost. We lost the top there. It's growing new shoots out, but I'm pretty sure those are considered suckers. I don't know what's going to happen with these. I might end up replacing them. I'm probably going to end up replacing them. But if we move to the other side, that one's good still. They're doing better. They're doing better. The back row here is all Brussels sprouts. Looking good. We got some bell pepper here. That's another bell. I don't remember what it's all. I got some poblano's and all kinds of stuff here. There's a Thai chili in the back there. These are looking pretty good. That one's not looking the best. And then we got another row of peppers. It's a variety. I got some hot yellow peppers, some mild yellow peppers. I had some hot jalapenos. These are the lemon cucumbers. The little yellow balls. Pretty cool. They're going to be all strung up on the fence. The peas, all the peas are coming in good. You see all the way down. Future project. I'm making a fencing system for this. For all the, well, not the peppers, but for like the peas, anything that's going to climb. I'm making a trellis system or like a fence, something for it to climb up on. Then we got cucumbers here. They're going to be going up on that. Piece of lettuce there. Eggplant all the way down. Eggplant. More cucumbers. The first set didn't come up. We have our golden squash here. Okay, so I've gotten some comments on my potato chips I planted. So out of the 9, there was 3 in the back there, 3 in the second row, there's 1. All right, and then there was a 3rd row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 9. So that's good. Those are the potatoes I planted. My wife planted here. Those sprouts we got. Looks like one's coming up. Yep, we got one coming up now. All right. These are redskins. This whole aisle right here is redskins. We have the couple peas that my wife split off. They were from last year. They started growing in the aisle. They were from last year. They started growing in the aisle. We have our zucchini here. 3 of these. They're looking good. Over here we have dill, and then we got little patches of dill that my mom planted. And then in between all this is onion. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like they're coming up. That's good. We have a bell pepper. We have a bell pepper. We have my Tabasco chili pepper. That is from last year. We have another bell pepper there. Peas here. Yep, we got peas all the way down here that Michelle planted. They're just starting to come up. So, good stuff. And then over here we got beans that Michelle planted. Those are coming up. The little herb garden we planted. We got chocolate mint at the top. I don't remember what I planted in here. Michelle bought the seeds because she's the chef. But so we got herbs planted down here, and we have 2 here. So I planted some on this side and I planted some on this side. So that's a little herb garden we made. Me and a beautiful wife. So you can see I've been clearing out more trees here, opening it up. Look at that, just a few more to drop there and I got like all this sky open. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of cleanup, guys. I'm just one person. And on top of all the other updates, we bought an incubator. Started hatching our own eggs. So now we have 25 little chicks running around. Aren't they cute? I'd like to thank you guys for watching this little update vlog on the homestead here. You guys have a very blessed day. Peace.